reverse osmosis is the gold standard. Why then do we have all these water filtration appliances in our homes that don't use that? Is it cost? Is it inconvenient? Is it plumbing? All right, so there's lots of water filters, pitchers that we see on the market, that we see in stores. Walk us through this maze.
Sure. So there are several different water filtration possibilities that they have out there. So the most common type of water filter, they're pitcher filters, and you see them everywhere. You could pick them up at the store. And pitcher filters, how they work is they're gravity fed. So water passes through a loose carbon filter. It removes some simple contaminants like chlorine. And so really pitcher filters are used to make our water taste a little bit better. And so, but they're not really meant to remove large levels of contaminants. And then you also have fridge filters, and you have faucet filters. Now, fridge and faucet filters are marginally better than pitcher filters. And the reason why they're better is they use pressure to push water through a carbon block filter. So it removes a little bit more contaminants, but generally they don't remove contaminants like chromium or lead or forever chemicals or things like that. And the thing with any type of pitcher filter, fridge filter, or faucet filter is that you really need to be on top of your filter changes, and they don't notify you when it's time to change your filter. So I don't know if you're like me, but I barely can keep up with my appointments, my children, my husband, what I have going on every day, let alone monitor how many gallons of water I'm drinking. And then, as we've spoken about today, pitcher filters, they're not a really good option because you have to cook, and so you have to fill up a pitcher every time you go to cook, and most of the contaminants aren't coming out of a pitcher filter system anyway. So really, the best type of water filtration system is a multi-stage reverse osmosis system. So your water goes through several different stages of filtration to get purified.
I think a lot of people have heard about reverse osmosis. A lot of the big companies that sell water use that system, right?
Yes, they do. Most bottled water that you drink is reverse osmosis water.
We've come to accept, and it sounds like you're saying, if you're going to have bottled water, you want a reverse osmosis system that put it in there.
Yes, reverse osmosis is the gold standard in water purification. And if you want, I can tell people what reverse osmosis means.
Please.
Okay, so reverse osmosis is magic, really. But seriously, it's a very, very scientific process. We learned about osmosis in high school, and if you were like me, you really didn't understand what they were talking about. But luckily, I work with a lot of great scientists who have kind of broken this down for me. So what osmosis means is that when you have a living cell, it passes through a membrane, and things pass through that membrane from a higher concentration to a lower concentration. And reverse osmosis is the reverse of that. So what happens with reverse osmosis is that through pressure, water is passed through the membrane, and the contaminated water stays on one side, and clean, pure water is left on the other. So once it passes through, you have clean, pure water.
And what they do with the rest?
So with our AquaTru multi-stage reverse osmosis system, it leaves a small percent of the water, like 10% of the water, in the tank. And so first of all, that shouldn't be used for anything. Like, you shouldn't cook with it, you shouldn't give it to your animals. That's highly contaminated water. We say sometimes if you have a shrub or something, you can use it to water your shrubs, but nowhere near vegetables that you might want to consume. But typically, I just recommend to use it for your indoor plants.
So we know that reverse osmosis is the gold standard. Why then do we have all these water filtration appliances in our homes that don't use that? Is it cost? Is it inconvenient? Is it plumbing? Take us through the steps.
Well, absolutely. A lot of it is plumbing, and a multi-stage reverse osmosis system, it has to pass through 4 different levels of filtration. Carbon filters, it's a good way to pull out some of the chlorine and chloramines that add bad taste. So I think most water filters that like pitcher, sink, and fridge, they're there to make the water taste better and remove the chlorine taste from water, but they don't truly purify the water.